It's Wednesday. Welcome to our Wednesday Wellness Tip. So today we're back to a physical tip, and I'd like to talk a little bit about how we keep our GI tract, the gut, healthy. So many of you have heard of the gut microbiome. So the microbiome includes cells that are not part of our human body cells. So this includes like viruses, bacteria, bacteriophages, fungi, protozoa. All of these cells are not part of our normal healthy body cells. But the microbiome, when we keep a nice diverse microbiome, this does wonders to keep us healthy. In fact, this is why we believe that 75% of our immune system is in the GI tract because of that microbiome. So a big part of that, keeping that GI tract healthy, of course, is a healthy diet, but also something called prebiotics and probiotics. So today I want to focus on probiotics. And we advocate using probiotics because that helps to keep that microbiome healthy. If you've ever had an infection or had to use antibiotics, then that can alter that diversity and that balance in the microbiome. Sometimes that's referred to as dysbiosis, which means that your microbiome is out of balance. So we use a myriad of probiotics here at the Institute for Integrative Medicine. So I wanted to share some of those with you today. One of my favorites is the Ultraflora Spectrum. Now this is a good full spectrum probiotic. And one of the things I like about it is that it includes a strain called Saccharomyces boulardii. This strain is really good if you have any kind of leaky gut issues or if you have any kind of food sensitivities or reactions to like wheat or dairy, then the Ultraflora Spectrum is a great probiotic to use. Another one that's very popular right now, especially because we've had a lot of people suffering with colds and flus, whether it's COVID or not, but just the colds and flus, and also allergies. This time of year it's a high ragweed season, and that causes a lot of sinus issues. So this probiotic is specifically geared for lung and sinus health, and it's called the Ultraflora Immune Booster. So I really like to use that periodically. And we do believe that it's a good idea to rotate the probiotics so that you're not exposed to the same strain every time, because there's thousands, if not millions, of different strains in that microbiome. Another great probiotic is this one. This is a good women's probiotic because it's really good to help when you have a yeast infection or you're off balance in the yeast in your body. So the two strains that are really good for women's health and yeast, Lactobacillus reuteri and Lactobacillus rhamnosus. These are excellent to help keep that balance with the yeast. If you're going to travel and you want to pack something easily, then we recommend the ProFlora Immune. This is again a really good full spectrum probiotic that's easy to take, and it's very small, so it's enteric coated, so it's very easy to take. So we highly recommend taking a probiotic every day and rotating the probiotics so that you do get exposed to different strains periodically. If you keep your GI tract healthy, you go a long way supporting your immune system. So that's our physical health tip for today.